make it, but we're Skyping from the deep seas of the Great Barrier Reef.
Wow.
It's amazing. This submarine is awesome.
We just wanted to say congratulations. We
No,
love you guys.
Oh.
we love you guys.
Oh, there's a big fish back there.
Oh my God, what is that?
Whoa.
Whoa.
Chad and Erin.
The wedding ring is an unbroken circle which symbolizes an everlasting love and has a visible symbol represent your inner commitment to one another. May your life together be blessed with everlasting happiness. By the virtue of authority vested in me, I pronounce you husband and wife. May you live together in blissful happiness from this day forward. May I present to you, Señor y Señora Stakowicz.
What's your best advice?
Just embrace the small moments with each other and value them, because that's what makes up most of your marriage.
My words of wisdom would be happy wife, happy life.
Never snore in bed.
Hey pretty girl, can I have this dance? And the next one after that.